Didn't look too bad walking down that canal. The weather yesterday was certainly not very good. I think that's pretty obvious. Let's have a look at the gusts again, those stormy conditions we had across the south of the country. The Needles 100-mile-an-hour gust, that's the exception really, but for most of us across the south coast, the winds were gusting between 60, 70 miles an hour and higher than that. And in London itself, around 60 miles an hour. So a very stormy day yesterday. This coming week will bring yet more heavy rain, and we certainly haven't done with the winds yet. More gales on the way. Enjoy today. If you've got the sunshine, enjoy it, because today is going to be one of the better days of the next few. Let's have a look at the conditions then across the UK first of all for this afternoon. So southwestern England, some nice weather around here. There's a couple of showers dotted around just towards the southeastern coast, but on balance it really is a very pleasant day compared to what we had yesterday. The winds are much lighter, of course. 14 degrees in the sunshine and in the light winds. Feels very pleasant indeed, way above the average. Currently some showers across northwestern England. Those will continue into the afternoon hours, but generally speaking, most of us will get the dry weather, and the same goes for Scotland as well. Some cloudy conditions at times with just a couple of sprinkles of rain. And cherish the sunshine across Northern Ireland today. Tomorrow will be a very, very different day across Northern Ireland. How about Wales? Some showers around at the moment, and some of them will still be affecting us here during the course of the afternoon. So let's have a look at the evening then. It's clear for a time, and then cast your eyes towards the southwest. Yet more blue. That's rain spilling our way, particularly heavy across southwestern England and Wales and into Northern Ireland too. So let's have a look at the rush hour then. It looks as though this is the scene at rush hour. The weather front's right across the UK here, bringing those spells of rain, some quite gusty conditions too. And it looks as though Northern Ireland will probably get the worst of the weather. So 7 o'clock rush hour here. Also heavy rain across Northern England, the Midlands as well. We could see in Northern Ireland, for example, something like 50, 60 millimetres of rain. Towards the south of the country, it does look as though the weather will be improving as we go through the course of the morning into the afternoon. So by the time we say to you get to about 3 o'clock, it looks as though the sunshine will come out across much of England and also Wales and feel fairly pleasant as well. Now on Tuesday, it'll be a very showery day across western parts of the UK and to an extent across the south. It's the heart of the UK and also towards the east where we're going to get the best of the weather. Temperatures on Tuesday typically around about 12 or 14 degrees. Then middle of the week, all eyes on this area of low pressure. It looks very ominous indeed. Lots of isobars here, and also a big, very long weather front here bringing quite a lot of rain. So the winds increase, probably gale force across many of these western coasts. Fairly windy inland as well, but at this stage we're not expecting the winds to be as strong as what we had yesterday. But it's the rainfall that could be a problem through Wednesday. Not just Wednesday, but also into Thursday, especially western parts of the UK. Let's have a look at Thursday's chart then. Here's the weather front here. It continues to sweep in from the southwest, particularly this little bump in the weather fronts here. When we see this kind of pattern here, that means that the rain's very intense. So western parts of the UK on Thursday getting the heavy rain, and also gale force winds blasting out of the southwest. Now, as far as the temperatures go, it could be very, very mild indeed. 16 degrees across the southeast, and we may not even get the rainfall across the southeast until late on Thursday. And then by the time we get to Friday, it looks as though weather will be improving to an extent, but still very blustery, if not stormy, across northern parts of Scotland. Bye-bye.